this video, I just want to quickly show you how you would manage specials in your Xcart. Now this is Xcart 4.4, but if you have the special offers plugin on your older Xcarts, it would be very similar. What we're going to do first is this particular client has a special that they want to run, and they created this page here, and I'm going to show you show everybody a little bit better way to do that using the special offers. That way the coupon codes work and everything automatically works for itself anyway. Now we can see that she wants all of these items into a special of 30% off. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the admin. Under catalog we have special offers, and we're just going to click add new. Now when we go to add in here, the first step is our conditions. Now you can see most of these are pretty obvious. Orders contain certain product or products. Okay, so if it contains certain product or products, you can get a discount. Subtotal comes within a particular amount. Customer has certain memberships, so you can give it to certain people. You can mark multiple of these. Customer has a certain amount of bonus points. Customer comes from a specific geographic location. So all of these are different things we can set. So on this particular, we're going to set certain product or products. Now one thing that I think confuses people a lot right off the bat is that it first offers you the ability to add products. Each one of these little boxes is a set. So if you put all your products in just this one box that's right here now, then all of those products would have to be purchased to get that discount, which that's not what you want normally. Now if you were to add a category, well, there's the way special offers works is it's so flexible that you can, let's say you created a category called specials, and all of the products that are on special for this month get added to that category as a secondary category. Well, now we just add a category and we add that item. Now later we might set this date of expiration date for this coupon to be to infinity, because every month we're going to have something on special for like 10% off. Well, as long as it's always in that specials category, we don't even have to do anything with these special offers. We've already created it, we've assigned it to anything in that category added to the cart, that gets 10% off. By adding a category, you'll see that you always set a quantity of 1. Now if you added a category and set a quantity of 2, then 2 items out of that category have to be purchased, and it wouldn't matter if it was 2 of the same item or 2 different items. As long as they were all in that category, they'd qualify for the discount. Okay, so we need to add a product, and a couple of these products we've bookmarked up here. Here's the 16-inch roll. You select that, and it's going to reload the page here. So there's our Epson 16-inch premium luster photo. We just have a quantity of 1. That's all they'll need to purchase. Again, if you wanted them to purchase 2 of the same quantity, we'd set that. If we wanted to make them purchase 2 of a group of products, they'd have to be in a category, which it could be a secondary category called specials or whatever else. So now we want to add a second product. We're going to add a product set. And now we have a second product set. Now we'll go through and add all of these. One thing real quick, action that should be taken if conditions are met, give bonus just once. Now this is something you have to decide if, like in this case, we're going to have 10 different items that they could purchase to get 30% off. If you set it to just give bonus just once, they will get the 30% off of just one of those items. So if we wanted to do it for each instance, so if they buy 3 items, each different ones, they would get 30% off of all 3 items. So we want it to each instance of the set. Okay, so we'll just add the rest of these products. Here you can see I've added all my products now. As you can see, each one of these is a set. So to qualify for the discount. Now this is just setting up the qualifications. What needs to be in the cart to qualify for a discount. Later we're going to set what is going to get a discount on. So this again gives you additional flexibility. We can just set to use the same thing that qualified it. I'll show you that later. Or you could say, okay, to qualify for a discount you have to have a cartridge of ink in your cart, and then later we're set the discount of you get half price paper or whatever. So this right here, we're just setting the qualifications, and I'll show you that later on. But you can have one roll of luster, or this 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 roll of Somerset Velvet. And now if one of these was like, for example, this canvas satin, when I opened that category, the only 3 items in it were these 3 rolls. So I could have just added one set as that whole category. But a lot of these others, like the Somerset Velvet or something, there was a 36-inch roll that's not on sale. So I couldn't just add the whole category. You have to add just the products out of that category, or add those products to a secondary category called specials or whatever, and put those on sale like I was talking about earlier. Now we're just going to scroll to the bottom and hit next. We've set our declarations. Okay, so in the next section we would just select a discount. You could also give free shipping, products for free, memberships, whatever you wanted to do here. But by default it's going to be discount type absolute, and it's going to be a dollar amount. We could set that to a percent, and in this case they want a 17% discount. The discount, they already give like a 15% off of MSRP, so 15% and the 17% compounded ends up being approximately 30%. The discount should not exceed, that's going to be how much, if you set it to percent, it's going to set how much should it not exceed in dollars. And then I don't know what we want to set here. You might play with different values. If you set it to an absolute, so you're setting the discount to be a dollar amount, you would set the discount should not exceed like a percentage. So if you wanted to give it $10 off and you set it not to exceed 30%, and somebody bought a $20 item, they wouldn't get $10 off. They'd get $6 off, because 30% of 20 is $6 instead of getting the $10. So you could play with this just like this, the 17% off, and not letting it get over $30. Now then we set whether or not we apply global discounts. That means if we were to add, like say, a global discount of 5% off everything, or a coupon code where people signing up for the newsletter would get 5% off of everything, are we going to allow this to compound? Are they going to get 17% off plus the 5% off on the coupon? I would assume in this case probably no. The next thing is you're going to see where you can set what they get a discount on. This is where you could set the, you buy a thing of ink, an ink cartridge, and you get paper for 17% off or half off or whatever. But you just check mark this box, use product sets from the offer condition if you're giving a discount on the same thing that it took to qualify for the discount. Then in the bottom it says the bonuses will not include. Now it'll show the products, and basically every product has this option in the product screen, allow special offers discounts. If that is turned off, then those products will show up here, just so that you know you can't ever apply discount. This product wasn't even in our list, but we can't apply a discount to that product. So it's just making us aware of that. And we'd continue on to the next section. And now we're going to have the promo texts, and this is what's going to show on different areas throughout the website. So the short promo is what shows up on the home page. Now we have two things here. We have an image and we have text. Now it will not show both. It will either show the image or the text, and the image gets priority. So if there's an image set, it'll show the image. If there's text set, it'll show the text if there is no image. So if you set an image, there's no reason to set a text. Let's go ahead, and I created a little image. Here I've created this little image that'll show up on the home page, and I'm not sure if the customer will approve this or not. I'm just using this for show purposes. But it's a 2010 Epson Fall Media Special. Click learn here click here to learn more. Now, we don't need to set a text because we did set an image. Now right below here we can see we use the following URL as a link to the offer detailed promo page. Now here is where we'll actually set the detailed promo text. What will it say on this page? So we're probably gonna just want it to say this stuff on it. So I'm gonna go into the WYSIWYG editor. And this is the same thing you would do for like static pages or anything else. Okay, so here I've created the page. Again, we have a heading 1. This is just normal text. It's centered and bolded. This is heading 3 because it's like a sub outline of the heading 2. I added a little bit of text. Search engines like text, customers like text. They want to know what they're dealing with. This is then I did a list and I linked each product. If we just link the category, it goes to a category of a lot of products that half of them aren't even on sale. So I think the extra time in putting the full product link up for each one up there is worth it. We put the heading 3 here. A little bit more text, a couple of bullets with the link. We do a horizontal break. We have the fine art with links, a little bit more text here on the Camet Satin, a break, and then the ultra smooth fine art. Now that's for the detailed promo. That's the full page that shows up. Here's where it explains. So the cart promo block appears at the cart page. Items total appears at the cart on the product details page and on the product details page. Set the corresponding option. This promo block will be shown if the customer doesn't satisfy the offer condition. So if they add some other kind of paper and doesn't match the possibility of them getting this discount, then it shows that text up there. So the cart promo, you would probably put something in there as like an upsell type thing. Don't miss out. Here's, click here for details, learn more about it. So let's just try that real quick. Okay, so here on the cart promo, I put don't miss out on the 2010 Epson Fall Media Sale. Click here for more info. That link to this link right here, the following URL, so it just would take them to the detailed promo page. And I just kept it simple and small. You might make it bigger, you might make it bolder, you might play with those, the balance. You don't want it too big and gaudy because it takes apart from them checking out with something they do want to buy, but you want it to be big enough to where they notice it, to where you possibly get that extra upsell out of somebody who does want that product and just didn't know it yet maybe. So okay, we're gonna hit next. And the last set is that we're going to actually name the offer. So 2010 Epson Fall Media Special. It is going to be active. Let's run it through the end of the month. And then display short promo block, yes. Again, that would show the image if there is an image. If there's no image, it'll show the text. Okay, so here we have active, yes. Validity period it's currently available. Offer conditions available. Offer bonuses available. And we'll finish. And here it is, 2010 Fall Media Special. So let's go back to the home page. There's our media text. So we still have the custom banners that we had done for the client here, but here's where we added that special just by adding that here. Now you can click here for more offers, or you can click here and go straight to that particular offer. So let's go ahead and test this out and click this, and we'll actually see the offer page. And here's the offer page. So it uses that image again, and it says our special offers and then everything that we put in there. Here's the heading 3s that we had created, the text, the links to all the items, another heading 3, more text, all the items, and we can show all available offers, continue shopping. So that's about it for creating specials. Most of it's pretty straightforward, but it's got, X-Cart's unique twist on it, so a little bit of leading along, and you can see how it's not too hard to pick up on it. If you have any questions, always feel free to let me know.